Hello! Welcome back to Smart English Official. I am Lima, and I am so happy you are here today.
And I am James. Hi, everyone. Welcome, welcome. It is so good to see you again.
James, you look very excited today.
Lima, I am very excited. Do you know why?
Let me guess. Is it because of food?
Yes, of course. You know me so well. I am always excited when food is near.
You and your food, James. Okay, everyone. Today, we are talking about going to a restaurant.
Yes, this is a very important topic. Maybe you are traveling to another country, maybe you have a new job in an English office, or maybe you just want to eat at a nice restaurant. Whatever the reason, you need to know the English words.
Exactly. And we will make it very easy for you today.
Oh, but first, a very important message.
Yes. Friends, if you are new here, welcome to Smart English Official. We are so happy you found us.
Please click the subscribe button right now. It is right there. Do you see it? Click it.
James, they can't see you pointing. This is a podcast.
Oh no, you are right. Sorry, everyone. But still, please subscribe.
And please give us a like too. It really helps us so much. When you like this video, more people can find us and more people can learn English.
That is a beautiful thing. Oh, and one more thing. Share this video with a friend. Maybe your friend is also learning English. Maybe they want to go to a restaurant too. Share it with them.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Now, let's go to the restaurant.
Okay, Lima, I have a situation. Tell me what you think.
Okay, I love situations. Go ahead, James.
So, imagine this. It is Saturday night. I am very hungry. I go to a nice restaurant. It is beautiful inside. There are candles on the tables. Soft music is playing.
Ooh, that sounds very romantic, James. Are you going alone?
Yes, just me. Just me and my food.
Okay. So you walk into the restaurant. What happens first?
I walk in and I see a person standing near the door. They are smiling at me. What do I say?
Good question. That person is called the host or the hostess. They welcome you to the restaurant. The host will say, "Good evening. Do you have a reservation?"
Reservation? What is that?
A reservation is when you call the restaurant before you go. You book a table. You say, "I want a table for 2 people at 7 o'clock."
Oh, like saving a table.
Exactly. You save a table. That is a reservation.
Okay, but what if I did not call before? What if I just arrived?
Like James always does, right? No planning.
That is me.
Okay, so you can say, "I don't have a reservation. Do you have a table for 1? Or for 2? Or for 4? Depends on how many people are with you."
So I say, "Table for 1, please." Just me and my pasta.
The host says, "Of course. Follow me, please." And they take you to your table.
Oh, I love that. They walk with you. Then I sit down. Now what?
Now a person comes to your table. This person is called the waiter or the server. If it is a woman, we say waitress.
Waiter, server, waitress. Got it.
The waiter comes and says, "Hello, my name is Tom. I will be your server tonight. Can I start you with something to drink?"
Something to drink. Okay, so I can ask for water first.
Yes, water is always a good start. You can say, "I'll have a glass of water, please." Or, "Can I have some water?"
Simple. I like that.
Then the waiter gives you the menu.
Oh, the menu. I know that word. It's the big paper or book with all the food.
Yes, exactly. The menu has different sections. There are starters or appetizers. These are small dishes. You eat them first.
Like a small soup or salad.
Yes, perfect example. A small soup or small salad. Then there is the main course. This is the big dish, the most important food.
The main course, like a big plate of pasta.
Always pasta with you, James.
It is my love language.
Okay, and then there's dessert.
Dessert. Oh yes, the sweet food at the end, like cake or ice cream.
Exactly. Cake, ice cream, chocolate mousse.
I want all of it.
James, focus.
Okay. So, the waiter comes back. He says, "Are you ready to order?" What does order mean?
Order means you tell the waiter what food you want. You choose from the menu and you tell him.
So I can say, "I would like the pasta, please."
Perfect. That is great English. You can also say, "I'll have the pasta, please." Both are correct. Both are polite.
I'll have the pasta, please. I like that. It sounds very natural.
It does. Now, here's an important word. The waiter might ask, "How would you like your steak?"
How would I like it? What does that mean?
It means how you want it cooked. For steak, there are different levels. Rare means the inside is still pink. Medium means a little pink inside. Well done means no pink, all cooked through.
Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. So if I want it fully cooked, I say, "Well done, please."
Exactly right.
Okay, the food is coming soon. But wait, I have a problem.
Oh no, what problem?
What if I don't understand the menu? Some dishes have very strange names, like pan-seared duck confit. What even is that?
Oh, James, that is a very real problem. But don't worry, you can ask the waiter. Just say, "Excuse me, what is this dish?" Or, "What is in this?" Or, "Can you recommend something?"
Oh, can you recommend something? That is a very useful phrase.
It is. Recommend means suggest. You are asking the waiter, "What do you think is good?"
And the waiter knows the menu very well, so they can help me choose.
Exactly. And if you have an allergy, this is very important. An allergy means some food makes you sick.
Oh yes, some people cannot eat nuts or milk or gluten.
Right. If you have an allergy, please tell the waiter. Say, "I am allergic to nuts. Is there any nuts in this dish?"
That is very important. Safety first.
Always.
Okay, now the food arrives. The waiter brings the plate. He puts it on the table. He says, "Here you are. Enjoy your meal."
And you say,
I say, "Thank you so much. It looks delicious."
"Beautiful." Delicious means it looks very, very good to eat.
This pasta is amazing.
You are not even eating real pasta right now, James.
I know, but I can dream.
Okay, let's fast forward. You finish your food. You are full and happy.
Very happy.
Now you need to pay the bill.
The bill. Yes, the bill is the paper with the price of everything you ate.
Exactly. In the US, we also call it the check. You can say, "Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?" Or, "Can I get the check, please?"
And then you pay.
Yes, you can pay with cash or a credit card. The waiter might ask, "How would you like to pay?"
And I say, "By card, please." Or, "I'll pay with cash."
Perfect. And here is one more important thing. In many English-speaking countries, like the USA, Canada, the UK, people leave a tip.
A tip. I know this word. It is extra money for the waiter because they did a good job.
Exactly. It is a way to say thank you with money.
I like that. It is very kind.
It is. And when you leave the restaurant, you can say to the waiter, "Thank you. Everything was wonderful." Or, the food was amazing. We'll come back.
Aw, that is so nice. It makes the waiter feel good too.
Okay, James, let's go back. Let's remember all the words we learned today.
Oh yes, I love this part. Let's go.
First word, reservation.
Reservation. That is when you call the restaurant before you go. You book a table.
Great. Next, host or hostess.
The host is the person at the door. They welcome you and show you to your table.
Perfect. Waiter or waitress.
The person who brings your food and takes your order.
Yes. Menu.
The book or paper with all the food choices.
Exactly. Starter or appetizer.
The small dish you eat first.
Main course.
The big, important dish. The pasta.
Dessert.
The sweet food at the end. Ice cream, cake, yes please.
Order.
When you tell the waiter what food you want.
All done, medium, rare.
How cooked you want your steak.
Allergy.
When a food makes you sick. Very important to tell the waiter.
Bill or check.
The paper that shows how much money you need to pay.
And finally, tip.
Extra money for the waiter because they did a good job.
James, you remembered everything. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, thank you. I am ready for my restaurant date. Me and my pasta.
You are so funny, James. Everyone, I hope you really enjoyed today's episode.
We talked about so many useful words, and now you can go to any restaurant in any English-speaking country and you will know exactly what to say.
No more nervous pointing at the menu.
No more silent smiling at the waiter.
Just clear, confident English.
We believe in you. We really do.
Now, we have a fun question for you. Leave your answer in the comments.
Oh yes, the question is, what is your favorite food? Tell us in English.
Write it below. Maybe you can use some of the words from today, like, my favorite food is pasta. I like it well done.
Lima, steak is well done, not pasta.
Okay, I'm still learning too.
We are all always learning. That is the beautiful thing about English.
It is never boring, and it is always fun when you learn with friends.
And you are our friends, every single one of you.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. It means the world to us.
Please subscribe to Smart English Official if you haven't yet. We have so many more fun episodes coming.
We talk about English in everyday life. Simple words, real situations, just like today.
So don't miss any of them. Hit that subscribe button and hit the bell too, so you get notified every time we post.
And please share this video. Send it to a friend who is learning English. Send it to a family member. Maybe you can watch it together.
That would be so sweet.
Okay, everyone, it is time to say goodbye. For now.
I'm going to go find some pasta now.
You are always hungry. Goodbye, everyone. Take care, stay safe, and keep practicing your English every day.
Every day, a little bit. That's all it takes. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye.